Alright, for your at-home workout number 39, your warm-up is going to be 3 rounds of 20 alternating Cossack squats total, 10 push-ups to down dog, or if you don't normally do a push-up, you can do a scat push-up, 10 right arm, 10 left arm lawnmower rows. Check out the demo video for that. That is with your dumbbell. Once you do 3 rounds of that, then you'll move on to 2 rounds of your workout movements. So you'll do 4 air squats, 4 front rack dumbbell step back lunges. That's alternating feet, and you can have your dumbbell, you can choose whatever shoulder you want to rest it on. Then you'll do 4 hand release push-ups, or however you normally scale push-ups. And then I know a couple of you guys have a pull-up bar, or like one of those little ones you have in your door at home. So you guys have the option today. If you have access to a pull-up bar, you'll do strict pull-ups. If you do not, then you'll do lawnmower rows in the workout. So whichever one you're doing in the workout, do it in the warm-up. If you need to swing by and grab a band, if you do have a pull-up contraption, if you need to swing by and grab a band so you can do strict pull-ups, we'll be here tomorrow morning, or this morning. You guys can swing by and grab that. 2 rounds of this, and then that'll complete your warm-up. I'm going to explain the whole workout to you guys, and then I'm going to talk about how all the different things you can do. So, you'll do a 12-minute AMRAP. You'll do 10 air squats and then 10 front rack dumbbell step back lunges. Again, just like in warm-up, you can choose to rest your dumbbell on whatever shoulder you want. You're alternating feet and you're coming back to center. 10 and 10, 20 and 20, 30 and 30, so on and so forth until your clock hits 12 minutes. Once it hits 12, you will rest for 2 minutes. Then you'll do another 12-minute AMRAP. This time you guys are going to do 5 hand release push-ups, and then 5, again, if you have access, strict pull-ups, or 5 lawnmower rows. 10 hand release push-ups, 10 either or, 15, 15, 20, 20, so on and so forth until you hit 12 minutes. I'll talk about all that in a second. All right, that's what you got. Your score is total reps for each 12-minute AMRAP. For the first one, you're trying to get 200 plus reps. For the second one, you're trying to get 150 plus reps. At least before you should have scaled it, if you're trying to go for RX, you should get 100 reps for either one at least. Your air squats should be broken throughout, not extremely fast, just at a consistent pace, so just try not to stop. Your lunges are ideally unbroken as well. I know that's a harder movement for you guys, so slow down a little bit and make sure you're just doing each one. Again, find a rhythm, stay consistent. Again, you can place that dumbbell however you want to hold it, but it does have to be on your shoulder, and you're alternating legs. For your push-ups, think about smart sets from the beginning. Don't blow out your arms because you're doing hand release push-ups and then you're going into your strict pull-ups or those lawnmower rows, which is arms and arms. So just be smart about those, be smart about your pull-ups, and then again, if you don't have a pull-up bar, lawnmower rows will be what you do. How that works, you're switching arms every 5 reps. So if you take a look here, this first set that you do is just going to be on one side. So you'll do your 5 hand release push-ups, then you'll just do 5 lawnmower rows, then you'll go back to the hand release push-ups. When you get to that set of 10, just switch to the other side, do 5, switch back to the other side, do 5. When you're looking at what weight to do, again, we have that range, 40 to 50 pound dumbbell for the men, for the lunges and the rows. Try not to have 2 dumbbells, and I know some of you don't even have 2 dumbbells. So pick one and stick with it. The women, 25 to 35 pound dumbbell. You should pick a weight that allows you to complete all of your lunges and all of your rows unbroken for each set. And then make sure you put what weights and what you did in the comments, because I know you guys are doing different things. So, should be fun. That's it. Okay, so you want to stretch out your triceps. So that laying front rack stretch will be good for about a minute or more. And then your hip flexors and your quads for sure from all the squatting and lunging. So a minute of a calf stretch on each leg, or a hip flexor stretch, or both, whatever you want to do. But that's just your cool down, super simple.